What is going on, everyone? Platinum Beast coming at you with yet another video. Today we're going to be talking about the silver, gold, and platinum ratio and my thoughts on it. So let's get into it. Okay, guys. So if you've been watching the precious metals markets as of late, you know silver is on a tear, gold is high as can be, and platinum is kind of in a stalemate. And what I mean by that is it's right below that $1,000 mark. It goes up, it goes down, but it stays below 1,000. We broke 1,000 for a little bit, and it went back down to the 900s. And that's kind of the trend it's been on for a while. But today I want to talk about why you might want to consider about trading some silver or gold for platinum. Now hold up. Hear me out. I know I'm going to get a ton of people in the comment section like, oh, why would I do that? Silver's not going to stop. It's going to go to the moon. I get that, okay? I get that, and I understand it, but at the same time, you have to just kind of think about it. Just all I'm asking is that my viewers just take a second and think about it, okay? The reason that I am considering trading some of this silver, I won't trade these Libertads, by the way. These are just for the video. But trading some of this silver for some platinum is because I kind of want to keep myself protected, right? And right now, the silver to platinum and the gold to platinum ratio are very good. Everyone is talking about the silver to gold ratio, and they're talking about how they're trading their silver for gold. And that's a smart move as well. Don't get me wrong, that's a smart move. There's nothing wrong with that per se. But you might want to consider trading some of the silver to platinum ratio and gold to platinum ratio. Because right now, gold is worth over 2 ounces of platinum. And silver, you can trade about 30 to 35 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of platinum. That's a very, very good looking ratio to trade, in my opinion. Now, we all want silver, even me. We all want silver and gold to just skyrocket to the moon. We want $50, $100 silver. We want $3,000 gold. That is what us as stackers, of course, we want. And I would be happy if it went that way, for certain reasons, and then I would be not happy for other reasons. It would be more difficult to buy. It would limit my purchasing abilities of silver and gold, but it would increase the value of my stack. So it's a pros and cons to both sides, really. But you do want to keep yourself protected, right? You don't want to just buy a bunch of $30 silver, have it go to $20. I'm not saying it's going to. I am not saying that at all. In fact, quite the opposite. It's getting to the point where I think that we're going to just sub 30 is the new sub 20 for silver. I think the amount of printing going on with the Fed is just ridiculous, right? I think they've just printed so much money during this time, during this year of 2020, that, that's really going to put a dent in inflation. It's going to cause way more inflation than any years before, and it's just not going to be something that we can really dig ourselves out of. So I don't even know if we'll ever see sub 20 again for silver. We are at sub 2,000 for gold, but sub 2,000 might be the new sub 1,500, right? because it used to be floating around 1500. When it was 1400, it was a good buy. When it was 1600, it was a little high, and when it was 1500, it was pretty average. But platinum is still below 1,000. And so if you trade some of your silver for some platinum, you could protect yourself, right? Because platinum around 1,000 is where it's been at for a long time. If you trade silver while it's $30 an ounce for some platinum while it's still below 1,000, and silver goes to $20 an ounce, you will have secured your profits in the silver. Because the platinum, I just don't see it really going a whole lot lower. Maybe a little bit, but not very much. I think that is a great way to secure some of the profits that you've made in silver. So I think it's a decent idea to consider. Obviously, everyone's strategy is different. Everyone's opinions are different. I understand that. But maybe just consider trading some silver for some platinum. Or even some gold. Because gold is really high right now. And you want to secure those profits, right? And the best way, in my opinion, is to just keep stacking, but maybe consider that third metal that many people don't really consider or even stack or even think about stacking because they're just unsure about it. I know for me, I am very seriously considering at least converting some of the silver into platinum. Now, gold, I'm not very heavy in gold. This is a big boy piece, but I'm just not very heavy in it. And so because of that, I am a little bit more hesitant to trade any of that for platinum. But I have a lot of silver, and silver is heavy, and it takes up a lot of space. And I don't know, guys. I'm kind of thinking about, converting some silver into some platinum. We'll see where I go with that, but take a look at the silver to platinum ratio and the gold to platinum ratio and just kind of look at it, look at your stack, see where you're at. If you're in a comfortable space with silver or gold, or you think, oh, I've got a lot, I'll take some of those profits and move them into platinum just to kind of test out the markets. There's never anything really wrong with that, If you end up trading the silver for $30 an ounce and it goes to $40 an ounce, you missed out on $10 profit, but you probably made some profit if you have a lot from the sub 20 days. You made some profit, so just hold on to that rather than look at what you could have made, right? Want to give a shout out to my buddy Fish because he said a quote. He commented on one of my Instagram posts, and he quoted, and he said something along the lines of, there's nothing wrong with, taking a little bit of profit. And that's a very true statement. There's nothing wrong with taking a little bit of profit. If it ends up you could have profited more for waiting, that is unfortunate, but at the same time, you still made a profit, okay? And profit is good. No matter what the amount of profit it is, profit is good. And this stuff isn't really what you want to be doing if you are just strictly looking for profit anyways. So, yeah, guys, just wanted to make this video talking about considering trading the silver to platinum ratio, the gold to platinum ratio. At the end of the day, you're going to make your own decisions. I just want to kind of spark your interest and make you think about some things. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks to all my loyal followers. And until next time, we will see ya.